Hello, so simplifying expressions is probably an awful lot easier than you would imagine. So for example, if we had a plus a plus a plus a, for example, I have one A, I have another A, I have a third A, I have a fourth A. So my answer is literally just 4A. Okay. And in that respect, it's as easy as that. If we change those pluses to times, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, A being multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay, so really that's as hard as it would get. So for example, if you have A plus A plus A plus A, it will give you 4A. But if I'm timesing them, it would give you A to the power of 4. Okay, so in that respect, that's as difficult as simplifying expressions is going to get. What you may have is pen, A plus A plus B plus, let's have another A. Okay, so this time I've got A, A, A. So I've got 3 A's and I've got a B. Okay, and that would be my answer. By what you can also do to make it stand out a bit more is circle or color the different letters in different colors so that they stand out. So it's easier to see at a glance what each one is. So I can see the greens. I've got 3 greens. So I've got 3 A's and I've got a B, a blue one. What you might have and what you might need to be careful of, if we change this last one to minus A, I now have, let's grab the highlighter. I now have 2 A's minus A. So I've actually only got 1A. Okay, plus the B. So I've got A plus A equals 2A, but then I've got minus A, so I've got 1A. Okay, hopefully this is still making sense. The other thing you might need to keep an eye open for is if they give you A squared plus A squared. I've got 1A squared in this hand and I've got another A squared in that hand. So I haven't got A to the power of 4. I've got 2A squareds because like I say, I've got one here and I've got another one here. So I've got 2 altogether. Okay. If I had A squared times A squared, I've now got A to the power of 4 because what that basically means is A times A is A squared and then A times A is the other A squared and that says times in the middle. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 A's being times by itself 4 times. Okay. I hope this is making sense, but that's pretty much as, like I say, that is as hard as it gets. There might be longer strings of numbers. You might have A plus B plus 5 plus A plus B minus A plus 3B plus 2A, for example. But again, all I would need to do is grab my highlighter, highlight the different colors. So I've got A plus A minus A plus 2A. I'll keep the B's separate, plus B and plus 3B. And then I need another color for the numbers. And you wouldn't mix your A's, your B's and your C's because so all of them, yeah. It's a bit like, it's like I said in the other video, it's a bit like adding custard to gravy. Both are very nice individually, but you just wouldn't mix them. So when we come to solve this, if I go with my A's first, I've got a 1A plus another A, that's 2A, take an A, back to 1A, plus 2A's. I've got 3A's. Okay, so B's, I've got a B plus another B, that's 2B, plus 3 more B's, that's 5B's. And then here, I've got a plus 5, and that would be my answer. So literally just go through the blocks that you've made, kind of like the A's, the B's, and the cut numbers, and simplify them down. So last one, I'm going to suggest we have I'm going to make it look complicated again. So let's go 2a squared plus 2a plus 3b plus a plus 3a squared. And let's have a b at the front. Okay. So once again, let's group them. So we have, if you don't have other colours to hand, what you can do is just put shapes around them. So I might go an A in a triangle. Again, put an A in a triangle. Put my A squareds in a square. And I'll put my B's in a circle. Okay, so this time I've got, let's start with A's. I've got 2a plus another a, so I've got 3 a's. I've got 2a squared plus another 3a squared, so I've got 5a squareds altogether. Because I had 2 in this hand and 3 in this hand, so that gave me 5 altogether. And then I've got a b and 3 more b's, so I've got 4 b's. And that's it. You don't simplify it. You don't have an actual literal numerical answer. You literally just end up with how many a's you've got, how many a squared you've got, and then how many b's you've got. Nothing more to it after that. I hope that all makes sense, but as always, any questions, please do ask, and I will be more than happy to help.